There's a type of paint mixing called optical mixing, also known as partitive color. Essentially, it means adjacent colors blend together in your eye and not physically. If you look closely, you'll see the paint is applied in separate strokes or layers that don't interact. Then, when you step back, your brain blends these colors together like an optical illusion. It's a popular technique in impressionist or pointillist paintings. But it's also utilized in glazing techniques, where your eye sees through the multiple layers to create one luminescent color. Color pictures in newspaper use optical mixing by layering colors using dots. For example, if you apply small blue and yellow color strokes or dots and step back, you will see green. In this example, I exaggerated the size of the dots to show how the mark making works. You can see the overall impact of this color technique in some of these impressionist paintings. The advantage to optical mixing over physical mixing is you can make two colors appear brighter. In physical mixing, whenever you mix two pigments together, the color loses chroma. But if you place bright, pure paint colors next to each other and let your eye do the work, it leads to more luminous and bright effects.